Hello, this is a how-to video of how to replace a HP Pavilion dv6-6033cl laptop PC screen. It is going to be me and one other person. He's going to video. So I've already done a lot of different prep work to make this video a little bit faster, and I'll walk through it. So let's do this. First, you're going to want to pop off the screen. All it has is clips. At the bottom, one moment. At the bottom, there's going to be two rubber feet. You're going to want to take off these rubber feet and unscrew the two screws that are down there. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more screws. The back will come off just like that. On the side of this mount, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on each side. Lid off. You're going to lay it down. You have a 40-pin connector in the back that's going to be connected and taped down right here. Pull up your tape. Pull the pin straight back so you don't break anything. And let's actually pay attention to putting the new screen in. So, first thing you want to do is obviously plug it back in. And lay your tape back down. If this wiring comes out, there's just some clips that it slides back into. Okay. Place it gingerly in your mount. Gingerly in your mount. Start replacing the 8 side screws. These are going to be the smallest screws that come out. Once you get the top two in, it should be a lot easier. Or at least that's what I'm hoping. There's a magnet that lays on the side of the screen, but I don't know what it's for, so it would be best to ask somebody that does know. If it comes out, just put it back however it's supposed to go. And if you don't know, take a guess, because I don't know. Alright, our 8 screws are finally in. So now you want to move to your second smallest screws and put those back into your top. And just like with any electronics, don't try to tighten as tight as possible. All it is brass and plastic. So then you should have 6 of one size screw left, and then 2 of a larger size. You're going to want to use the 6 of the same size screw to put in your bottom. So before I put these last few screws back in, I'm going to wedge this magnet back into where it goes. Hopefully it doesn't try to fight us again. I'm taking out this one screw because we're only supposed to put 3 screws in on each side, because we have that last screw that's under those feet that needs to also go in. So if you work your way from the inside out, that should be correct. Let's look just in case. Yep. So just leave the 2 holes on the furthest left and right side open so that you don't have to backtrack at any point. So, your screen is completely in, but it's kind of ugly. So let's put on our frame, or whatever it's actually called, because I don't know. And again, it has just these plastic clips that it snaps into. Just walk around, don't use your whole cans, and just push it until it all snaps into place. And then put in your last 2 screws. And then your 2 rubber feet, which what I'm going to do is plug it in. Make sure that your battery is in. Mine was already dead, so I wasn't worried about breaking anything. So, we're going to see if this screen works. And I got it from laptopscreens.com, laptopscreens.com. It'll be in the description. So everything looks good. So enjoy this first and only YouTube tutorial. Have a nice day.